Good night. My name is Liana Valentina Cruz Segura. I live with my mom. I live in Suria, Cundinamarca. I am from Lejanías Meta. I am 22 years old. I am a student business administration of the Universidad Nacional Abierta y a Distancia. The last vacations I went in San Andres. I stayed their own week and went with my boyfriend. I like because it was cheap, just paid 1,600,000 for the two. I liked it because there were a lot of places to visit. For example, I went to the aquarium for snorkeling. I saw the sunrays, Johnny Key, blowing holes, and beaches. Practice scuba diving, try all the typical dishes, and I like it at Island. Always arrive before the airport of San Andres, since it is very congested by the small. Previously have do reservations in the hotel and the transport. It's very fun to rent a golf cart to travel the island and make the stops you want. Try all the typical dishes if you think the restaurants located for by the road. Enjoy the beautiful beach and the seven colors. Doing rides on the jet ski is a lot fun. Visit the aquarium for snorkeling. Visit Johnny Key and the plastics scuba diving. Wear beach shoes. Always apply sunscreen. Not to go to parts of the sea that are prohibited. If you do not know how to use jet ski, better do not. I could be very dangerous. Do not away from the island that are there recommended or you do not have now. Be very careful if you do not know how to swim or have an allergy with salt water. Personally, it's very bad. Do not consume alcoholic beverages and they go to beach. Do not go do don't go to sea worried and very sweet. If you see are no shores of plastics any activity do not. Make sure you get back with all your baggage. Thank you very much. Bye.